Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 multiply 4 power x plus 2 multiply 9 power x minus 5 multiply 6 power x is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video. So for the given equation, the first step I'm going to take, I'm dividing the whole equation by 4 power x. After that, this looks like this, plus 2, 9 power x divided by 4 power x minus 5, 6 power x divided by 4 power x. Is equals to 0. Now, according to the quotient rule of exponent, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x over y whole power m. So I'm going to use it. So first we eliminate this. So only 3 left plus 2 in bracket. We can write it as 9 by 4 whole power x minus 5, 6 by 4 whole power x is equals to 0. Now 3 plus 2, we know that 9 we can write it as 3 square and 4 we can write it as 2 square whole power x minus 5 and 6 and 4 both comes in table of 2, so we get divisible by them 2, so we get 3 by 2 whole power x is equals to 0. Now according to exponent rule, that is x power m is equals to x power mn. So we can use this rule here. So we can write it as 3 by 2 whole power 2x minus 5, 3 by 2 power x is equals to 0. Again, I'm going to use this rule. So 3 plus 2, 3 by 2 whole power x and power square minus 5, 3 by 2 power x is equals to 0. Now I can arrange this equation as first this, then 5, 3 by 2 whole power x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now let's substitute 3 by 2 power x as y. So we can write this equation as 2 y square minus 5y plus 3 is equals to 0. Now it's look like in quadratic equation. So we can do the middle term split here. So we can write it as 2y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0. Now from the first two terms, I can take y as common, so 2y minus 3. And from the next two terms, I can take minus 1 as common, so 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. So our first root is y minus 1 and the second is 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now from here, two cases. So case 1 is y minus 1 is equals to 0 and case second is 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. If I'll take this minus 1 to other side, it becomes plus 1. So the value of y is plus 1. And in second case, 2y is equals to, if I'll take minus 3 to other side, so it becomes plus 3. And here 2 is with multiplication with y, when goes to other side, it comes in division. So y has two values, that is 1 and 3 by 2. So we know that we substitute the values. So case 1 is 3/2 power x is equals to y, that is y is 1. So 3/2 power x. So we know the rule of exponent, that is a power 0 is equals to 1. So we can write it as 3/2 power 0. So the value of x is 1 in this case. Similarly, in case 2, 3/2 whole power x is equals to y, that is y is 3/2 in this case. So 3/2 whole power x is equals to, we can write it as 3/2 whole power 1. So the value of x is 1 in this case. So we have two values of x, that is x can be 1 or x can be 0. In this case, the value is 0. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.